Hi, this is Design Guy. Want to master awesome grid layouts using shapes in Canva? Let me show you how. Click Create, select Custom Size, then set width and height to 300 by 300 pixels. In this tutorial, go to Elements and search for Image. Type Snow Mountain in the search bar. From the results, select the graphic image that best fits your design. This will add a visually appealing snow mountain graphic to your project, enhancing the overall look and making your content stand out effectively. Select this item, then choose another from the options. Next, add the image to your project. To organize the layout, insert a grid element. Place the selected items within the grid for structured alignment. Now apply the green color to the designated section. Finally, change the text or element color to white for contrast and clarity. This arrangement ensures a cohesive design with proper color balance. Use these steps to efficiently build and style your layout with grids and color customization. Follow this process to enhance visual appeal and maintain consistency throughout your project. The element appears sliced. First, select the element you want to adjust. Click and drag to rotate it to your desired angle. Next, resize the element by clicking and dragging the corner handles, making it larger or smaller as needed. Make sure to maintain proportions by holding the Shift key while resizing, if necessary. Continue adjusting rotation and size until the element fits your design. Once satisfied, release the mouse button to apply changes. This process allows precise control over the element's orientation and scale, enhancing your layout effectively. Click the Shape tool, then select the rectangle shape. Click to add it to your design. Next, remove the rounded corners by adjusting the corner radius to 0. Finally, change the fill color to white, creating a clean, white sheet background in your design. To remove the extra boxes, select and delete them from the workspace. Next, duplicate the existing box by pressing Ctrl+D. Move the duplicate to the desired area and adjust its position precisely. Now change the color of the duplicated box to differentiate it from the others. Repeat the duplication process again with Ctrl+D to create another copy. Position this new box on the opposite side of the workspace, ensuring alignment with the existing elements. Apply a different color to this duplicate as well to maintain clarity and visual distinction. Use the color palette to select colors that complement your design. Continue refining placements and colors until the layout is balanced and visually appealing across both sides. If needed, duplicate the top layer to preserve the original. Next, zoom in closely to inspect the edges for any excess color or unwanted artifacts. Carefully examine the details to ensure the layer is clean and precise. Remove any excess color by using the appropriate selection or eraser tools. Take your time to refine the edges, enhancing the overall quality of the layer. Once the edges are clean, you can proceed to make any additional adjustments or refinements as necessary. This process helps maintain accuracy and sharpness in your image editing workflow. After confirming that there is no leftover color imperfection, you can continue with your next steps or layers. Maintaining clean edges is essential for This is our final design, resembling a square puzzle. Click the Share button to share your design, or select Download to save it to your device. Increase the quality settings before clicking the Download button at the bottom of the screen. Now you can rock grid design in Canva with shapes. Like and subscribe for more creative tips.